Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Java course. This video is a continuation of my previous video lecture. So in these videos we are going to learn operators in Java. Before we have learned the unary operator, arithmetic operators and string concatenation operator. Today we are going to learn relational operators. So let's start today's video lecture. So the relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Number one, we can apply relational operator for every primitive data type except Boolean. It means we cannot apply relational operator to the Boolean data type. Okay, so like here, if we apply the relational operator on integer type, you will get the result 10 greater than 20 false, a less than b true, 10 greater than equal to 10.0 true, a less than 125 is true. But if you are trying to true less than equal to true and true less than false, it means this is a Boolean type. You are applying the relational operator on the Boolean type, then you will get the compile time error. Operator less than equal to cannot be applied to Boolean type. Let's see understand with the practical. Suppose here we have defined, okay, not a problem. We can directly print suppose 10 greater than 20, okay, false. Now apply on the character data type a less than b, also true. Then we will apply on the double type or float type 10 less than 20, yes, it is also work. But if you allow on two variable like if you define boolean b1 equal to true and boolean b2 equal to false, true, okay. Now if you trying to apply b1 greater than b2, yes, you will get a compile time error. The operator greater than is undefined for the argument type boolean. Okay, now move for the next thing. Number two, we cannot apply relational operator for object types like string 1 Syam and string 2 Pawan. If you try to compare string 1 and string 2, you will get a compile time error saying operator less than equal to cannot be applied to string. Let's see with example. Suppose if you define to string s1 equal to Syam and string s2 equal to Pawan. Okay, now if you are trying to compare s1 with s2, yes, anything else, you will get sorry Yeah, you will get the error unresolved compilation problem. The operator greater than equal to is undefined for the argument type as java.length.string and string. So string or string type we cannot apply the relational operator. Number 3, nesting of relational operator we are not allowed to apply. Suppose if you define integer value a, b and c and you are trying to a less than b less than c, then you will get compile time error, because when the two operate, when a and b will resolve a less than b, then the result will be true. So the result will be boolean type, and we know that we cannot apply the relational operator on the boolean type. That's why we will get a compile time error. Let's see. uh, Suppose we define int a equal to 10 comma b equal to 20 comma c equal to 30, and if you are trying to compare a less than b, yeah, definitely you will find the result true. But if you trying to result less than c, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you will get compile time error. It will not allow boolean and integer type. Now the equality operator. Okay, so this operator we learn in the next video lecture. Till then, bye.